Hi, I'm Frank Barrett-Mills, the Director of Culinary Affairs and Training for APW, Baker's Pride, and Star Holdings, also the Executive Chef for the brands. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the operation of the GP-51 pizza oven. Really simple unit. I'm going to start by talking about the cavities. You have 2 cavities, all stone lined. You can also get these brick lined with the stone above and below, but right now it has the Cordierite deck on the bottom. This is not a brick lined unit. Also, I'd like to let you know that you can get this oven with 1 door, which will allow you to open both cavities, and this shelf is removable if you'd like to remove it, and then you'll get a full 12-inch cooking cavity. Right now you have a 5-inch and a 6-inch cavity. Okay? To start this unit, it's very simple. I'm going to open the door to get the handle out of the way and show you. We make sure the oven is off all the way. We open the door. This is the gas valve, and this is the control knob. Now, there's an on and off position, and there's a pilot position. We will move this to the pilot position, and we'll hold in this button right here, and we will light the pilot. Holding the button, you'll put your light into the pilot, which is right here, and you would light it, and you have to warm the thermocouple just a little bit, and then it will light holding the button in, and when it fires, pull away the lighter, but hold the button for up to 30 seconds to light the pilot. It's warming the thermocouple in that area to make sure that it will stay lit. Once it's lit, then you'll turn the oven to the on position. And once you've turned it to the on position, then you can turn on the thermostat, and that will start the burner, and you will start heating the oven. And in the evening, if you decide to, you can turn it to the off position and the pilot will stay on. And then in the morning, all you would do is come and turn the power back on and then set your temperature. Very simple to operate. Now we've set the thermostat to 400 degrees. You can see the red dot right here. We're at 400 degrees. Now, you would leave that at 400 degrees till your oven preheated. And this is also a light. When that light goes out, your oven has preheated to 400 degrees. You will never leave it at bake temperature for hours with no product in there. When I'm ready to go to bake, 1/2 an hour before, I would take it up to my bake temperature of 500 degrees, and that would warm the stones correctly. If you don't do it that way, you can superheat the stones, and the first 2 or 3 bakes of pizza or product you're baking in here will be very dark on the bottom. These stones are like a sponge. They will absorb temp, and if you don't cruise up the way I've shown you, that stone could be 600, 650, 675 degrees, which would be too high and would burn the bottom of your pizza. So very simple. Start with the 400 setting, let it come up, let the light go out, and then crank it up to your bake about 1/2 an hour to 45 minutes before you start serving. Now, the inside needs to be cleaned as well. Particulates from baking pizzas and other products in there can build up on the stone. If it's not cleaned daily, it will build up and affect your bakes on the stone. It's a simple oven to operate. It will just keep on cooking for you. The footprint is small. It's easy to operate. It is the smallest gas pizza oven, deck oven in the market today. It's great for food trucks, small areas, and small users. It's a great unit. It comes in the 51 and the 61. It comes brick lined or not brick lined, and it also comes in the 61 and 62 series as high performance with higher BTUs and higher performance. Now we'll cut a crispy bottom and a beautifully finished top. Here we are doing a New York strip in 7 minutes. And here are breadsticks. These are pepperoni breadsticks baked in the oven. We also have a stuffed flounder in 7 minutes. And we also have Beautiful slider rolls in 6 minutes. And here's the meatballs that are going to the slider. And here are beef tips. For more information, contact Baker's Pride at bakerspride.com or 1-800-431-2745. Thank you.